here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, August the 31st, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today and a great trading month. It's brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we left out the market here today. So SPX, guys, down about 6 points, still green on the weekly chart, still green on the monthly chart. Inside day. Narrow range inside day too, not the narrowest range day. We had 16 points here. This one was like 10 points. So, but it looks like an NR4 day. So inside day. So over the ADMA, getting tight, right? And really, it's all about the wave count, right? So we talked about this yesterday. It was an ABC starting. Well, we got our A, we got our B. Now, the real question is C really going to get any follow through, right? And so we need to kind of take a look at that. This time with this little ABC right here, we just got a little bit of wave C, and then it kind of got going. So we'll see how it goes. Based on how tight it is right now, this actually could turn into a wave 4 triangle, and we could continue to chop into the end of the week. But we'll see how that goes, right? So we'll see kind of what the price action delivers us going into tomorrow. But at least they gave us a little bit of room to do some things today, right? So SPY ended up getting a little bit of increasing volume on an inside candle, right? So that packs starts to build some energy, which is looking kind of interesting, right? So let's see which way this thing decides it wants to go. Probably up, right? So S&P futures, right? So we had a couple interesting moves here today. Started to kind of creep its way up here into the close after the close, right? So nice move there. And let's take a look at the MES again. Same thing. Right, there's a geometric level breakout right there at the end of the day, but that's basically after hours. Let's do the Qs. Qs kind of grinder today. IWM. Choppy day today, do basically stay within his triangle range there today. XLF actually got beat up pretty heavy in the morning. We'll take a look at one of its constituents that was a little bit rough today. VIX got a little bit perky there during the day, and then just kind of calmed down at the end. Apple. Really didn't get much movement, right? Had a pretty big day the other day, yesterday, and then just kind of fizzled out here today. So Tesla, just interesting triangle breakdown today. We looked at a couple geometric breakouts, no volume. There's no volume in here, and then we look at this. We lost this, and we look at that. So the volume started to amp up down here, and they gave us a nice drop today on Tesla, which we pointed out in the group today. Pretty cool stuff. Bitcoin. Bitcoin down about 1,300 here today, guys. But like we said, the big thing I'm just tracking right here is how it holds its macro upward trend line. It's kind of hanging on to it right now. So good stuff there. A couple names, another couple more movers, right? Amazon, another push. Closed out with 50-day moving average and pierced the cloud with increasing volume. Wow, what a big move since OPEX. Baba. Decent gap up today, but ended up kind of turning into a red day, so no real follow through on that one. Here's your bank right here, guys. The bad boy of the banks right here, Wells Fargo. Just got crushed. Huge volume under the 50-day moving average. Basically, the regulators came out and said, like, yeah, you spent $5 billion. You're supposed to clean up your act. It doesn't look like you did it. Right, that type of thing, and so they might be struggling a little bit here. So I wouldn't be surprised if they got somebody ended up buying them out eventually. But we'll see how that goes. Walgreens, huge breakout on Walgreens today. That moving average cluster today that ended up carrying the Dow basically today. Starbucks had a pretty good day today. It was kind of zooming on some extra Joe, so good stuff there. Skills, we pointed this out in the Twitter feed today. Nice breakout there with increased volume. So let's see if that gets any follow through. And then Facebook, kind of a little bit of a shooting star candle at the end of the day. So just a little something to keep an eye on there too. Anyway, guys, good stuff. We'll see you guys on the live stream tonight. So then stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.